Alright, hello and welcome to a cop-out video. I've been working real hard to have a video come out every Friday for you guys. I've been able to keep that up for about 3, almost 4 months. Unfortunately, this last week a week and a half ago, I got super sick, lost my voice. I'm even in the middle of making a video. You see the components here, but I just couldn't record. And today's the first day that I've been able to actually work a full day in the last week, much less be able to produce any content. So, what I did get is a package in the mail. Thought I'd do a quick unboxing for something to go up tomorrow, and apologize to you guys that it's not going to be very good, and it's probably going to be another week or two before I'm recovered and able to put out a more regular video. But I have two Royal Enfield motorcycles. I have a classic 350 and my shotgun 650. Really love those bikes, but you're able to join the Riders Club as part of that, and I joined that months ago at this point, and you're supposed to get a welcome gift, and it just now showed up. And I didn't know what was going to be in it. It doesn't really say what it's going to be in it, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. It's a nice box. Personalized Royal Enfield your way. I know in India they do a lot of customization stuff at the dealerships. You can get custom paint jobs and stuff. That's a pretty neat keychain. I won't be using that with my bike keys though. I use soft keychains because I don't want to scratch anything, but I'll definitely use that probably for like my my truck key. Let's see. Just a cloth. Sorry, I'm struggling real hard to not cough into the camera right now. So again, I apologize if I sound a little funny. And we get a patch and a pin. Now, I don't know if the Riders Club is like anything like I've been in part of like Jeep clubs and stuff where you get pins that you could, or badges you could put on your Jeep for different trail rides you've done and stuff. So, fun mug. And I think that is it. So, that's fun. It's a nice thing. It didn't cost anything. That was just something that Royal Enfield, if you join the Riders Club, check your email if you own a Royal Enfield for that. Sign up on their website. You may not even need to get the email, but if you own a Royal Enfield, I'm in the US, I don't know if that makes a difference. You can log into the website. You need to have an account for your the navigation anyways, and log in with that and then click on Riders Club. It's a link up at the top, and it took quite a few months for this to show up, but it was a nice gift from Royal Enfield to give to their owners. You know, it's something I didn't have to do, but I did have to confirm I had a Royal Enfield by putting in my bike information and with the VIN number. So you can't just sign up if you don't have a Royal Enfield motorcycle. Anyways, sorry for the short video. Hopefully I'll be back to my normal this next week for a much more interesting, longer format video. I have a video for my T440P, upgrading the motherboard to a motherboard with dedicated graphics. I have my MSI gaming laptop that I need to do a full review on. And then I have a bunch of netbooks that I've been collecting that I want to do kind of an overview of the netbook craze, since that played a big part of my life. Anyways, if you want to see any of that, let me know what you're looking for down in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. Hope you have a better week than I've been having.